So we've done about 4 transactions with the Cheryl Grant team. It's always been very smooth. It's always been handled very professionally.
Yeah, she knows what she's doing. She gets it done. And if there are glitches, which there almost always are in any transaction, she figures out a way right through them.
We connected with her about 12 years ago, and we just bumped into her at an open house. And we kind of liked her immediately. But really, it was her follow-up that was pretty impressive, because immediately from her answers to whatever questions that we had, I don't even remember, I trusted her.
There are so many options in the real estate market, and I'm sure some of them, most of them are probably really good. But when you find someone that you just have that innate sense of trust with, why go anywhere else?